Good morning, student. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Okay. Today's activity parts of plant. Okay. Yes. Devraj, some parts of plant explain.
Bud, flower, stem, root, leaf and branch.
Very good.
These are 8 parts of plant.
Very good.
A flower. This is a flower. A flower is the colorful part of the plant. In some plants, flower turns to a fruit.
Very good. Come.
This is a stem. They give support to the plant. They transfer food and water and to the various of plant.
Very good. Come. Go side.
This is a fruit. Fruit are fleshy part of the plant.
Very good.
This is a branch. These are attached to the stem and bear leaf, flower, fruit and buds.
Very good.
This is leaf. Leaves are green and are found in different shape and size.
Very good, Tanvi.
This is bud. Bud is
And development flower. Very good, student. So, Kriti,